Want to make $100 a day using AI without any tech skills, coding, or fancy degrees? You are not alone. Thousands of beginners are cashing in with simple tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Today, I will show you 3 powerful AI tools that are helping everyday people earn online fast. First up is ChatGPT. This AI can write blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and even full YouTube scripts like this one. Real use case? People are offering writing services on Fiverr and Upwork using ChatGPT. For example, a beginner named Sarah made $120 in her first week writing product descriptions for Etsy sellers. Just copy the prompt, tweak the output, and deliver. No writing experience needed. Next is Pictory.ai. This tool turns your script into a full video with B-roll, captions, and transitions automatically. It is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. For example, James started a motivational quotes channel using Pictory. He uploads daily shorts and earns through YouTube's Shorts Fund and affiliate links. No editing skills are required. Just paste your script and let Pictory do the magic. Third, we have ttsmp3.com. This free tool converts text into realistic voiceovers. Choose male or female voices, adjust the speed, and download your audio in seconds. For example, a creator named Leo uses ttsmp3 to narrate AI-generated stories and uploads them to Spotify and YouTube. He earns through ad revenue and donations, all without recording a single word himself. So there you have it, ChatGPT for writing, Pictory for video creation, and ttsmp3 for voiceovers. These 3 tools require 0 skills. And yes, people are making real money. If you are ready to start your AI side hustle, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. The potential to earn is right at your fingertips. Begin your journey today and unlock the power of AI with these simple, user-friendly tools. Imagine turning your creativity into cash flow with just a few clicks. With dedication and these resources, your financial goals are within reach. Don't let a lack of experience hold you back. Take the leap. The online marketplace is waiting for your unique ideas and talents. Join the growing community of everyday individuals transforming their lives with AI tools. Your success story could be next, so start today.